Got out before the sky turned white, steel-toe boots and a paper cup. Truck bed rattled in the parking lot. By noon the dirt had dried me up. Sun on my neck like a warning sign, sweating my eyes that long haul line. Hands like stone, back like rope, still I watch that clock move slow. One more push, one more mile, then I'd see your front porch smile. I'm coming home, leave that sun out on the